name is Weston. How are you?
I'm also great. Thank you for asking.
What is your name?
My name is Sagar. And
Say that again.
what's your name?
Weston.
Oh, Western. Yes, I'm right.
Yes, correct. And you are
Okay.
Sagar?
Yes, yes.
Sagar. I always write down my names. Nice to meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you.
So you're trying your first time?
No, this is not first time because I have already that sessions to do it on that app.
I see. So it's only a couple minutes I have with you.
Yes, yes. For right now, I am in the classroom. That's why I have not get a very free much of the time. That's why in here I'm to just few conversations, like not much more minutes to require.
That's fine with me. Where are you right now?
What?
Where are you at right now?
This is my classroom, and I think my classroom right now to starting for the next, and it's very free time is also. That's why in here to small conversations joining.
Amazing, amazing. How long have you been studying English?
I have been studying English in the little childhood is also, but there are two basic concept like very base of that learning. But in here right now I am fully focusing on that English because it's my not native language, it's other language.
Yeah. Is this your second language, English?
No, no, it's my third language.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
So, what's your first language?
My native language is the Marathi language. This is my mother tongue, and other is also in the state language to speaking. So, so many areas Hindi language, Hindi mostly,
Good
and
words
third
to your
language.
native language. I like how you use that. That's really good. Native language.
What? What you say? Repeat.
You said it's your native language. That's very good. Good English. Your first language is your native language, right?
Yes, yes,
And then you speak Hindi as well?
yes, yes. I speak Hindi.
Wow. And now English.
Now English is, but in my English, some little I don't know in where to mistake and grammar. Just I'm practicing right now. And please, whenever I get supposed to nervous, and I'm to just practicing and build up my confidence.
I think you're doing great, and I'm not just saying that. You can understand what I'm saying, and you talk really fast and very clearly. So your sentences are very, very good. So
I
it's
think
awesome.
just it's a practicing and not anything. For I know for so much of the grammar is also it's like educationals, like futures, continuous, and all these tenses. I know that is all gatherings in my mind. But whenever I speak, like stranger persons, it's not outcomes for that grammar where to have in I'm just trying to eat, but in the like for food, there is so much is also that.
Also, just talking with the stranger, right? Getting used to that is probably it's very helpful, right?
Mhm.
Just a different person. Um, are there a lot of people where you are that speak English?
In here, not a lot of people that speak English, but they supposed to other people's like they want to improving our skill. They're to joining and there so many apps is also to speaking the English and so many content on available on YouTube is also. It's a lot of is explorers and to doing to connect for English
Oh, hold
language
on.
to
I'm only got 10 seconds left with you already. But
I
is
am just next sessions I will do joins recently. Okay.